In view of the sustained high speeds which are now normal on the new motorways, we have to be especially careful about proper tyre maintenance. Underinflation can lead to excessive wear and overheating, and renders the tyre more liable to accidental damage. Worn tyres also reduce road holding capacity by a large amount. And the dangers of loss of control cannot be emphasized too much. So, before setting out on any journey, always check your tyre pressures carefully. No, not like that. You know how. That's it. And just you keep those tyres at the proper pressures. Yes, he's checking the spare as well. So remember, use your head.